Hello and welcome to Undervisey. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Boruto Manga chapter 56 and the events that might happen in this particular chapter. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with Boruto Manga reviews. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now recently we just got the conclusion for the fight which took place against Ishiki Otsutsuki, and as a direct result of it, we got to learn some pretty interesting things. Most importantly, the existence of Code's white karma and his new goal of extracting revenge upon the Konoha village and subsequently trying to attain the position of the Otsutsuki god. And all of this is directly tied to the dark fate of Boruto, something which was foretold to him by none other than Momoshiki. But I don't really think that chapter 56 in itself will go that far. Yeah, we'll probably get some more cuts to Code, who is now seeking out for the 10 tails and stuff like that, but I don't really think this chapter is going to be focused upon him. Rather, I think that this focus will be mostly dedicated to the side of Konoha and the direct aftermath of the battle, which resulted in a major loss of power for Konoha because it has now weakened its two strongest shinobi, that is none other than Naruto and Sasuke. So I think that there's very likely going to be a meeting in the higher ups of Konoha which will include Naruto and Sasuke and the powers that they lost in regards to Kurama and the Rinnegan. We may also see the return of the prior Hokages as well in the form of Tsunade and Kakashi, as well as the information of this particular battle will probably be shared to the other Kages as well, and as such we can expect to see a Gokage meeting once again. Because the Otsutsuki threat is not just limited to Konoha, it's a worldwide threat. Moreover, I would love to see some interactions from Hinata's side as well, but I don't really think that's going to be the case here unfortunately. All these things will probably be expanded in the anime whenever it comes in the next 5 years or so. Yeah, it's gonna take a long time, but still I will be hopeful here. But anyway, things are going to get more serious from this point onwards because Sasuke has lost his Ame no Tejikara and Space-Time Ninjutsu, which was a very huge power for Konoha in their search for the Otsutsuki clan members and the actual motives behind the scenes. But since that is gone now, things are going to have to take a dramatic turn and we'll probably get to see some sort of a repercussion for all of this. Now I've already discussed my scenario as to what exactly is next in line for Hokage Naruto. I don't really think he's going to resign here, that wouldn't make a lot of sense, but I've discussed about all these things in detail in a prior video, you can check it out here. Just in a brief note, I'd like to say that we'll probably get to see a more ruthless version of Naruto and he will probably try to learn some new techniques in order to aid him after the loss of his KCM form. But even without that, we'll probably get more information about the Karma Mark. Remember, we were initially told that Tsunade is going to give us some information in regards to the Karma Mark and how it is linked together to the Byakugo seal. Moreover, after a very long time, I will expect to see, maybe not in this chapter but in the future of this series for sure, Gamabunta returning to Hokage Naruto because he needs his summonings as a part of the Sage Mode once again. Now other than the Konoha stuff, I'm also expecting to see some sort of a shenanigan from the side of Amado, and maybe his apparent betrayal is coming up very soon. Because in the last chapter he was really worried about Kawaki, and I think that the story is much more nuanced than what we had initially thought about. There is definitely a secret plan which is going on here which we are totally not aware about. And talking about the remnants of the Kara organization, I think that we'll probably get a cutaway scene now to none other than Kashin Koji. I really want to see his interactions with Hokage Naruto whenever it eventually happens. Moreover, this is one of my wilder guesses. I don't really know if this is going to happen or not, but I think for the sake of the village, Naruto or rather Sasuke will try to take the help of none other than Orochimaru here, and maybe, just maybe, he's going to return to the village, maybe in the outskirts, but I just think that his help will be very essential in the future of the series. So these are some of my quick predictions for Boruto Manga chapter 56. What do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more. This is Undervisey and I'll see you soon with the next one.